So today, we will get all children of the node. So far, we have been starting at the top of the DOM tree to select our element using the DOM object. However, you often have times when you have already have a reference to one element and you need to get hold of another element nearby. This is called DOM traversal. It is a way to move from one part of the DOM to another and select an element based on the relationship with another element. Let's say I want the remove button in each list item. To do that, I can open my index.html and add a button tag in each list item with a class btn_remove and a text remove. If you check the preview, you can see the remove button is added in all list item. However, if you add a new list item, there is no remove button. So instead of adding the remove button from the HTML, we need to add them using JavaScript. But before that, let's quickly fix the CSS so that it would look nice. Open style.css. In li selector, add display flex, justify content, space between, and align items center. Then let's decrease the padding and font size for this button. So choose the selector, add padding 5px and 10px, then add font size 14 pixel. Check the preview and the style looks good now. Also, let me remove the button tag I have added in HTML because I will be adding buttons using JavaScript. Now open script.js. Let's remove this uppercase effect on mouse over for the list item. I use it only to show how to use mouse over event. Also, let's refactor this add button event listener. We have already selected the OL tag globally. So let me remove this list variable. And now, instead of prepending in list, we need to prepend in list item. Since we need to add remove button in the existing list as well as in the new list, it would be good if we create a separate function for the remove button. So add a function, add remove button, add li as a parameter, then create a new variable remove and use document.createElement to create a new element. Add a button since we will be creating a button. Then add remove.textContent equals remove since it is the button name. Then add remove.className equals btn-remove. Finally, let's append them to the li. So add li.append remove. Now, when we click on the add button, we need to call the function. So add the function add remove button, then use item as an argument. Check the preview, add new item, And you can see remove button over here. However, the remove button is still not there in the existing list items. So let's create a new variable, list items. List items are the children of this OL tag, so use list item dot children. Then use a for loop. Let I equals 0, I is less than list items dot length, I plus plus. Inside the loop, let's call the function add remove button and use list items I. Check the preview, and this time we can see the remove button in all existing lists, and also it shows on the new list as well. Great. This is the end of this session. In the next session, we'll traverse up the DOM to the parent node. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. Thank you and see you soon.